Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's ADUNNI'S of ADUNNI'S Space again, and it feels so good to be back here sharing content with you guys. I'm a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. In case you haven't met me or if you haven't seen any of my previous video, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make onion juice for your hair to promote hair growth, to reduce hair thinning, to reduce split ends, and to add shine to your hair with a very special essential oil that I bet you never even thought of. So all of the things you would need are the things you see me listing on the screen. I won't be telling you guys the essential oil yet, so I want you to keep watching up until the end so you can know the essential oil that will be doing the magic for us in this recipe. Okay, if you're new on my channel, you're welcome. I share hair tutorials, hair DIYs to help you look good and still save money. Okay, we're all about looking good and saving money over here. So I'm just prepping my onions. Onion juice contains a lot of sulfur, which also helps to increase the production of collagen, which promotes skin cells, healthy skin cells, and also help to reduce hair loss. It also contains an antioxidant that is called catalase, and catalase basically nourishes the hair follicle to also improve hair growth. Onion juice also helps to prevent infection and to prevent dandruff. So you can see that onion juice is something you want to incorporate in your natural hair care regimen. If you're like me, we're just starting natural hair care regimen and you're looking to start making a bit of your products yourself, this video is for you. Okay, so I am using two sizes of onions. I'm using a big one and a medium size because I would always prefer to make my onion juice fresh. I don't want it to be at home for a long time. I want to make it like, take for instance now, the one I'm making now is something I actually want to use tomorrow. So I want it fresh. I don't want it old or I just don't want it stale. I don't want something old. I want something fresh that I'll be able to get the maximum effect of what I am using on my hair. Okay? You can actually go ahead to apply this using a spray bottle, as you can see my spray bottle, or you can apply it with your finger. You can use a drop bottle, or you can use a cotton pad to apply it to your scalp. So let's keep going and I'll be back to talk to you guys, okay?
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so So where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
So now that my onion is blended, this is what it is looking like, and the texture is not too thick because remember I had 1 cup of water to help me make the blending easy. So I wanted my onion juice to be very concentrated, so that is why I didn't add a lot of water. I want the juice to be more of the onion juice after straining it, if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So I went ahead to turn it over into this cup that had like a precise shape that would help me make it easier to strain. If you have this cloth that is normally used for straining, I would actually advise you use that. I don't have that, so that was why I went ahead to use the straining or the filter that I use in making tea, which worked. But if you have the cloth, it just works better. So this is what I'm basically doing, straining out the onion juice step by step, like little by little, bit by bit. Guys, I am not even going to lie. When I was cutting this onion, my eye was pepperish. If you know any method or any trick to cut onions and not tear up, please share in the comment section. If you have ever tried onion juice on your hair, please share in the comment section whether it's a positive effect or it's a negative effect, because of course I know there are people that react to some particular kind of products, because specifically I react to aloe vera. So let me know what your experience have been trying onion juice on your hair, whether your hair is relaxed or it is in its natural state. I would like to know, so please share with me in the comment section. I used to use onion hair when my hair was relaxed and I totally loved it. It helped with my hair shine and it also helped with my hair growth. So that is why I am not thinking twice now trying it on my natural hair, because my hair is still my hair. Probably the only difference is the texture now, if we both agree. So if you're new on my channel and you're still watching this video at this point, I have a handful other tutorials that you would enjoy, that you would find helpful on my channel. So make sure to click down after watching this particular video and just scroll down, enjoy the space. Make sure to watch 1 more or 2 more videos that you would definitely find helpful on my channel. Okay, all right.
Better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up. Play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me.
Frankincense. And frankincense helps to promote and stimulate blood circulation in the scalp and hair follicle, which in results promotes hair growth. It also helps to reduce hair loss, split ends, thinning of hair, and tangle, and that is why I will be using the frankincense oil in my onion juice for this particular recipe. I used quite a lot of drop. I honestly didn't count the amount of drop I used. Another reason why I like this particular frankincense oil is because of its very nice scent. It has a very nice scent, so it helps to kill or to reduce the strong scent of the onion juice. You can use any essential oil you have, as long as you know that it is beneficial to your hair. Do you understand? You're not using. So normally, if I was doing this, I also normally use peppermint oil because I like peppermint oil, and my hair likes peppermint. Like my hair likes anything that has mint because I do like mint too. So you can use any mint or any essential oil you have that is beneficial to your hair, or that you have noticed that your hair texture likes. Now I am transferring the onion juice into this cup that will help me make it easy to transfer into my spray bottle. And I was able to get a little, not even a little, I got over 175 ml, and the rest is going to be a waste because, like I said earlier, I like using fresh DIY products. Do you understand? Exactly. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and that you turn on post notification, as I will be sharing with you guys how I intend to use this onion juice in my wash day routine. And the video will be going up very, very soon, probably by weekend or next week. You guys are going to see that video. Just make sure you're subscribed and you turn on post notification, okay? Okay, you don't want to miss anything. And make sure to scroll down after watching this particular video. I have a handful of other tutorials that you will find very, very useful to you and to your friends. So thank you so much for watching this particular video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.